Hello everyone and welcome to the first episode of Frontend News, where we cover the most important events in the industry that happened over the last week. Today's leading story is a follow-up on Mozilla's add-on outage that happened on May the 3rd. We'll continue with more details on the features built in the new Chromium-based Edge browser. We'll have a look at the JavaScript Trends for 2019. We have news and updates from CodePen and the launch of the web project guidebook. Before we go into details, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel if you want to receive more content like this, as well as more tips, tricks and guides on how to build a successful career in front-end development. All this being said, let's get started. On May the 3rd, all Firefox users around the world had the unpleasant surprise of finding that all their add-ons stopped functioning. It was also impossible to install new add-ons. Mozilla released a quick fix update on the same day via the studies system. This required opting in to the telemetry feature to the dissatisfaction of a large part of the user base. A permanent fix, not based on the studies, was released on May the 8th with the 66.0.5 Firefox update for desktop and Android users and 60.6.3 for Firefox ESR, or the extended support release. On May the 9th, Mozilla issued a statement on the official blog titled "What We Do When Things Go Wrong," where they apologize for the whole situation. I quote, "We strive to make Firefox a great experience. Last weekend we failed, and we're sorry." End of quote. Mozilla CTO Eric Riscorra also made a blog post on the technical details of the outage and how the team provided a solution that fixed the entire issue. He also listed the lessons learned from the entire debacle and promised that a more detailed analysis will be released as soon as possible. Microsoft released a 1-minute video on their Windows YouTube channel with a glimpse into the future of Microsoft Edge. The Verge picked up the ball and published an article explaining in detail what the major changes are. First feature is the IE mode built seamlessly into the browser. This is targeted mainly for businesses and large entities which have internal web apps built on top of Microsoft proprietary technologies. These businesses will also have the option to customize the new tab page with the company logo, loading shortcuts to some sites into the top tabs, as well as integration with Microsoft Search and Office 365. A second major feature is allowing users to create collections which they can share with friends or family and export into Word or Excel. Last but not least, there will be a whole set of features and options related to privacy, which Microsoft hopes it will make Edge more attractive to users. While on this topic, Microsoft returns to the macOS browser scene after a break of 15 years. VentureBeat signals that Edge is available for Mac users in two variants, a daily build and a weekly one. At this moment, neither collections nor the privacy tools are available, with an update being expected later this year. CV Compiler published an article highlighting the existing JavaScript trends. They analyzed 300 jobs listings published in April this year where JavaScript is the main language required. We find that React is comfortable at the top with 267 listings, followed by Angular 195 and Node.js 176. Developers are also asked to be familiar with Git, continuous integration, or test-driven development, just to name a few others. The article also mentions skills not displayed in the chart like Agile with 150 entries, UX 101, or Scalability 70. There are quotes from industry experts, and the overall conclusion is that it has never been a better time to be a JavaScript developer. CodePen announces an updated job board both visually and under the hood. To celebrate this, they are running a promo for the entire month of May. New jobs are $100 off and run for 60 days, double the normal time. It is the season for handbooks, and we present to you now a new one, the Web Project Guide. This book is written by Deanne Barker and Corey Wilhauer from Blend Interactive, and it will be released as it is written. The first 2 chapters are already available, and 2 new chapters will come live every month. If you want to receive more content like this, as well as practical tips, tricks and advice on how to become a front-end developer, don't forget to subscribe using the big red button down below. Like this video if you like it, share it with your friends if you love it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.